Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. In today's video, I'm going to be making something like this. A tomahawk head out of a railroad spike. So I made this one a couple of days ago, and I'm really happy with the shape of it. However, the eye is, as you can see, kind of wonky and off-center because my punch that I used for it wasn't as good as I would like it to be. I've corrected that, so I'm going to be making it out of this one. As you can see, I've already cut the tip off of this because in making this one, I kept the regular tip on this, and to peen it over and create more mass up top was really quite a pain. So I just took the shortcut, took that part off. So in the video, what you're going to see me do is upset the end of this to create more mass right there, and then use this handy dandy drift that I bought from somebody on Etsy, and I forgot the name, but I'll put it here. Got it? Okay. Check them out. It does very quality work. So, yeah, we're going to turn this into, hopefully, something like the one that I showed you before. Let's go! Alright, so this is where we're sitting at right now. I'm really pleased with the shape of this. It turned out to be a little bit shorter than the one that I showed you at the beginning, but it is a bit wider up here, and it's got this nice kind of like bearded axe look. So this is all done by hand. I really haven't done anything on the grinder except for, you know, take out those fish lips that I showed you earlier. The hole ended up being pretty straight on. This is all nice and straight. So I'm just going to clean this up a little bit on the angle grinder, and then these little pinch marks here that you see from the press in the last clip that you saw. I'm going to clean those up a bit, and then we're going to get on to quenching and tempering it. What are you trying to focus? Alright, just to show you how this is going to heat treat, this is bile, this is it unheat treated, and it's not even moving, and I'm putting a lot of, oh, there he goes. But easily made a mark, come on focus, there you go, easily made a mark right there. So after we quench it, and I made a couple of marks on this side too. So, and I tested it with using the edge of the file, not just flat like that, but I actually tilt it and see if I can get a groove in there, which I easily can right there. There it is. We're going to quench it and see how that changes. All right, so now it's slipping right off of there like it should, as opposed to up here where it's still soft. You can barely get. Yep, that's hard. That'll do the trick. I really like the tempering colors I got on this. I'm going to try to leave that as is and clean this up a bit, but I want the nice blue to come through right there. Yeah! Uh-huh. That is so cool. And it came out straight. Focus. All right, so here's where we're at now. So you can see I kept the temper colors on there, which I really like. Nice and straight, and I put a pretty good edge on this. Forgot to record the last one. I started out with a fresh 120 grit belt to put the bevels in, and then the last bit I did was on 400 grit. So on the slack belt, it got kind of a nice little apple seed shape going on there. It is definitely sharp enough to do some splitting. Not going to shave my head or anything like that, but it'll definitely do the job. So next video, I'm going to be making the handle for this, which I've never done before, never really even tried before, so that should be a fun journey. Thank you for watching this, and check out the next one right here. I should put the link right there.